Welcome to my YouTube channel, Lifestyle Tutorials. I'll be solving a PayPal dispute. We can see somebody's a recipient PayPal sent me 53 US dollars. Then Payoneer had a question, why was that cash sent? So they said that you have to information to submit on the verification center. So we'll come here, then we'll see the in the verification center, national ID card has been approved. Reviewing account question is still under review. We open items. Why we provide information so that we can approve your account to send money directly to other Payoneer accounts. So I'm told to explain the connection with the buyer. Let me draft it. So we'll be told connection with the payer explanation. Tell us more with the connection with the payee. I've drafted the reason. I'll be able to submit. Once I submit, it will tell me please complete the following. Come submit an invoice. Remember, an invoice should have a logo, your name, client's name, invoice number, date, product, service, and amount paid. So here is the receipt. We'll come download it. So we'll be able to download it. This receipt has all the requirement as requested. It has the invoice number, the receipt, the date, the amount, the section, the location, the number, and the address. So I see it has met all Payoneer's requirements. So we'll come here and see and be able to add it. We'll be able to browse. We get to downloads. We get to the image that I've just downloaded for now. I think that is that. Then we'll be able to submit it. So we need a screenshot affirming your business web page. So we'll come here. So the screenshot has to be a screenshot either from your business online store, your Facebook on a freelance platform, your business social network profile. For me, I'll provide my profile of on a freelance platform. It means I normally use Facebook to advertise my services where I get my clients through them. That is where I shall be. I'll come here and see the requirements of a screenshot. They tell us the URL is a requirement, the store user, the phone number, the email, the address, and the full names. So we'll come here and proceed to browse. We'll be able to download, then go to pictures, then we go to screenshots. We'll be able to arrange the screenshots. We sort them by the date. Then we can see that these are the screenshots that are able to explain to people what I'm doing. Make sure that I've submitted a high resolution and an uncroppable screenshot that shows web to page from edge to edge. We recommend that it also contains the details above. I'll be able to submit. While they tell me thank you for submitting the information, once we complete the review, we'll let you know by email. So I think that is done today. So we'll wait in history. We submitted the connection with the payee, the invoice, and is under review. So once it's done, I'll be able I'll be able to get an update via email. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. In case you have any issue with Payoneer or PayPal, money is held. Payoneer, you need some dollars sent to you. You have 180 days refund in PayPal. You want a temporary or a permanent limited solved in PayPal. You want a proof of fulfillment, proof of address, bank statement. Kindly reach out. Proof of purchasers receipt. I'll be able to sort you out. This is Lifestyle Tutorials. Thank you for sticking with me. Thank you.